Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Well, before I wanted to do a Bitcoin chart, but then I ended up doing a hot and mining chart. So it's not bad, but yeah, sure. Now let's go and do that. Okay. So Bitcoin. Okay, so we can see today we are having, yeah, a red day, is it? Unfortunately, getting on the 1 hour oversold. And let's see some price action now. So we're plunging once again into this level here. Is it going to invalidate this fourth wave count? Because let's remember, I am trying to be positive and look at some bullish levels, but for the moment it's not looking really great. So I was taking the length of the wave 1 and added to the wave 4. So this was the wave 1. Now I need to lower it here. And if we do that, I need to add the 1.618. So we're talking for a fifth wave of 79,681. All right, so once again, we do have the MA50. It was acting as a support. It can still do that, but yeah, we need to stop the bleed. If we go below 64,450, then I need to yeah, give up on this more bullish count and then focus more on my alternative count, which is we never completed the bigger fourth wave. Sorry if I'm moving a lot. So once again, this was the end of the third wave. This was ABC for the wave A, and so we're doing an A. This was the B, and we're eventually going to do the C. So now let me take out this, the 1-to-1 ratio. So what did I do? Well, pretty easy. I took the length of the wave A, I added to the wave B, 1-to-1 ratio, 54,793, give and take. We do have the MA200 here also. Coincidentally, it's now the MA200, it's bend on the previous, yeah, allegedly wave A low. Yeah, so honestly, I guess I'm debating now what should I do. And I would say this week is going to be an important week because it's going to determine which count Bitcoin is going to take, and possibly even today or tomorrow maximum, we could have, yeah, a clear indication what Bitcoin, which count is going to take, which road is going to embrace. It looks like now we still have a little bit of room. So once again, 64,450 is the number we need to remember. If we break this one substantially, then I must take the other path, that the wave C is not finished and we have alternative counts there. Let's also remember we can still go to, yeah, 49,415 and still be okay. So actually maybe I should put it on my right side. Yeah, so because we only reached the 0.382, which is ideal for a fourth wave, but we can go lower, and so I'm not desperate. Well, for sure I will start to be desperate when we're going to if ever we're going to reach somewhere below 49,415. All right, so that should do it. I think this one also I can, let me clear up a little bit the chart. So now this fourth wave is still valid, but let's see how long this count can stay there. And is there something else I want to say? I think this is pretty much all I wanted to share you too with you guys. Let me. I did check the fibs, I believe, before. Let's go check the fibs. So still not oversold on the 4 hours, 12 hours actually. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. We can still go a little bit lower. Stock RSI already oversold. I mean, this would be a very nice entry point if we can reach the 30 level zone. Let me see here. I don't know why I don't have the levels. Usually I do have a box here. That's crazy. Anyway, we are at, let me take the bigger count here. We are about 35. 35, so we're not that far from reaching the 30, and this is where I really would like to get into that level, and it could give me at least an indication that the pullback is, you know, maybe we're going to have a nice recovery, or just a recovery, and then we're going to even go deeper. So once again, this level here, 64,450, for me, it's very important level. I think the 4 hours already did it. Still not oversold, and the daily, I pretty much believe, yeah, we still have pretty much a lot of room to go. And that's the problem. If the RSI is going to be ready and willing to reach the 30 levels, then we are going to go into the lower 50s, I believe. Now, when I say I fear, it's mixed feelings, because, you know, I'm going to get destroyed with the altcoins, and I do have some open longs leverage, but I, at the same time, I do have some sell stop limit, so I will happily take some losses, because it will allow me to get some lower level entries in my longs leverage. So, you know, I'm happy to take some losses now, because it means I will take higher gain later. So this is how I see it. All right, so this is pretty much all for Bitcoin for today. Let me go and check Ethereum quickly. Honestly, I don't follow really often Ethereum. Ethereum, honestly, it's a little bit stronger. It did give us, you know, a very nice level for the fourth wave, and possibly this is we could do maybe some micro counting for the fifth wave, and this pullback that we are seeing, it could be just the 1-2, right? So let's go and check out this. I have no idea what I was looking for that. This one. Oh, checking impulsive movement. I honestly don't like it. I'm going to use this one here. There you go. Okay, so yeah, very nice for the moment. Reaching, or you know, already over sold on the stock RSI. We technically did already, could be already done this wave 2. We did reach the 0.5 fib retracement, 3,359. Can I see a clear 3 wave down though? That's the problem. Can I say this was a 1, 2, 3? But now the problem is, this is the 3. Was this an A? But it's too quick. Too quick. A, B, and C. I mean, I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced, but we did reach lower levels. And often the wave A does reach the 0.382. Let's see if that candle here almost reached that level. Well, we need to be alert and look at it. Let me take out the 0.3 so cleaner chart. But I am pleased with what I'm saying. I'm saying what I'm seeing, but I just don't wanna be too much enthusiastic. So I'm going to pretend that this is a wave A for the moment. And how about this is just, that was just a wave A. Actually, the fibs are good. Oh, if you put it for a wave B. So we did interact a little bit with the 0.382. Ideally, we want to go, if this is the A and we're going to do the B and eventually doing the C, so it means we shouldn't be scared of reaching lower levels, and it would be, you know, once again, perfectly fine. We have the MA once again 200. That's going to that, you know, it's going to get higher and help us out and act as a support eventually if we need to. And yeah, so now I'm going to say, if we go higher and go yeah, higher than the 0.786 fib retracement, which is 3846, I believe this now, I can count this as a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're going to do the third wave of the fifth wave. If the price react to one of those levels and we can see a very nice reversal, I would say this was indeed the wave B, and then we're going to do a lower local lower low for the wave C. If we go higher, then yeah, that's one of the first indication that maybe this is the third wave. Clearly, when we're going to make a higher high compared to this peak here, which is 39.69, then you know, I start to have a strong case that, you know, yes, indeed, this is start to have many confirmation that this could be possibly a third wave of the fifth wave. And once again, if we go lower, we interact, and yeah, the price react to this level here for the wave B, and then we see that it's doing another retracement. Then I need to go and check, but yeah, 33.68 is the level where definitely if we lose that level, it confirms once again that, you know, we're doing this wave C. Now, for the moment, I cannot tell you how deep the wave C can go if it goes there, because I don't even have a wave B, right? All right, so this is pretty much all for Bitcoin and Ethereum quickly. Yeah, honestly, you know, for sure, it's a red day. Oh my god, fetch minus 10%. Fetch, I think if we continue to do, you know, reaching lower levels, I think we're going to start to be in trouble. I will try to do a video now. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.